Hey, this is Nate over at EasyHOA, just showing you a quick video on how to create a link on your website that will link someone to an email address instead of like a page of a website. When you click it, it will pull up your email, whatever email provider you're using with that email in the name. There are some settings on your computer that could affect this, but this is how you do it. You go to your website, to the page that you want to add that. You're going to add a widget. Make sure you click on adding the HTML form because we're going to be using some HTML, and click add widget. This HTML I just got from Google. So I'm just going to show you how to enter it when you're on that page. You can put whatever for the name, but you're going to go to View, Source Code, and then I just got this from Google. I just Googled how to create an HTML email link. This is the email address. I don't think any of this is required. Like you can Google different ones, but I think it's supposed to have this H hyperlink reference and then mail to and then email address. And then this would be the text that shows up. So you can edit this to like email us and hit save. And then that's how it's going to look. Please reach out to our sales contact at 8. And then like the whole email us and everything is included. I'm going to hit save. Once you hit save, I'm going to refresh the website side, and then it looks like this. You're not going to see this part, but when I click on it on my computer, it opens up Mail. It's an application on my computer, and it puts that address in there. So that's how you do it. Let us know if you have any questions. Thanks.